quality at freshness ang basehan ng cravings mo? Hashtag gotta be Wendy's. Isang fresh na milestone ang hatid ng Wendy's Philippines sa mga Kapampangan matapos itong opisyal na magbukas ng ika-100 na branch sa Friendship Highway, Angeles City, April 16. Masaya ang naging opening nito na sinimulan sa ribbon cutting ceremony bilang simbolo ng panibagong yugto para sa brand sa Pilipinas. Bukod sa pagdiriwang ng tagumpay na ito, naging personal din ang kahalagahan ng pagbubukas na ito para sa kanilang pamunuan. Ipinagmalaki ng President at CEO ng Wendy's Philippines na bilang isang Kapampangan, isang karangalan para sa kanya na maitayo ang ika-100 branch sa Angeles City, ang lungsod na kanyang pinagmulan.
Proud, una-una, because Kapampangan ko, so I'm also, birthplace ko ang Angeles. So, Angeles City is very close to me, and even though I stay out of the Angeles City, since dito ako pinanganak, and close to my heart, as I said, everything that goes along with Wendy's growing in this part of Luzon, it's really you could say not only we're trying to we have numbers of stores, but I said yung 100 we have to do it in Angeles. Actually, we have few stores lined up, but I said dapat Angeles para at least yung Angeles natin will be promoted not only because of Wendy's but also the culture we have here in Angeles City.
Bukod sa personal na kahalagahan ng grand opening, isa rin itong makasaysayang tagumpay para sa Wendy's Philippines na kinikilala rin globally. Patunay ito sa patuloy na paglago ng brand sa bansa at sa tiwala ng mga Pilipinong tumatangkilik sa kanilang mga produkto.
Because Wendy's Philippines has really been the torchbearer, the pioneer in many ways, and continues to be. This store is definitely one of the most beautiful we have across the 1,000 stores and international. So this is the first country outside of Canada and North America to reach 100 traditional restaurants. So it's a huge milestone. So thank you to the Philippines. First of many milestones, I'm sure, Joey, that we're going to enjoy together in the coming years. But it's a testament to how well Joey and his team have been running the business, serving great food, and bringing more customers into Wendy's.
Kapansin-pansin naman ang bagong disenyo ng store na may mas modernong itsura, kung saan makikita rin ang artwork na nagbibigay pugay sa lokal na kultura ng lalawigan.
I think we wanted to make sure that anywhere we go, the new design of Wendy's somehow be part of the culture of the city or the any area that we're coming in. But here, we use more of the hand paint mural. So this is really more of a different approach rather than a sticker design. We use a very artistic approach, on how we bring the best out of our culture here in Angeles. Oh yeah, we're blue. I think that's the biggest difference between the old design that we have. We're going out of the red, and typically ang fast food are all red, no? So we're using a different approach. We're getting a bit more challenging, challenging the typical color of fast food, which is red. We believe blue is fresh, and as mentioned earlier, we even have capris to represent the brand in a more fresher look also.
Sa kabila ng bagong disenyo ng kanilang store, tiniyak naman ng pamunuan na nananatiling prioridad ang kalidad ng kanilang mga produkto.
Yung fresh kasi given na yun, di ba? Dapat parating freshly made, no? Fresh ingredients. Pero I think sa quick service restaurant, I can guarantee that Wendy's is the only QSR that serves real chicken, real French fries, and real nuggets. Ang French fries po namin, skin on. Kasama po yung balat. Our tenders, it's breast of chicken. No? Tapos yung aming beef patty, no extenders, no? 100% real and pure beef. Wala po kaming added na mga what do you call this, binders. And the icy also, no? I'm proud to say na hindi siya galing sa powder concentrate. It's brewed tea, calamansi, Yun lang. Even our Frosty, it's real dairy.
No, because I am Kapampangan, I know how to cook. I know what's real good food. We are the only fast food that somehow serve fresh ingredients. We don't actually do a lot of those shortcuts. Kasi Wendy's doesn't cut corners. So we only prepare the best quality ingredients, the best quality food that somehow separate us from the typical fast food. Kaya sabi namin, fast, fresh food. And our recipe, is quality. Yun ang recipe ni Wendy's.
Samantala, bukod sa dine-in experience, available din ng Wendy's para sa take-out, drive-thru at delivery para mas maging convenient sa bawat customer. Mayroon din silang self-ordering kiosk machine sa loob ng store para sa mas mabilis at mas seamless na ordering experience. Angelica Cara, CLTV36 News.